Tired of bank wire fees and slow transfer times every time you need to send money abroad? It's the classic international transfer headache. You need to support family, pay a foreign bill, or even fund an account for your trip, but the complicated forms and surprise costs from traditional banks make it a nightmare. What if you could ditch all that friction and send money globally in just a few taps from your phone, with clear, low fees and real-time exchange rates? That's where Revolut comes in. We're going to show you exactly how easy it is to send money internationally with Revolut, step by step. First, make sure you have money in your Revolut account. You can top it up instantly with a debit card or a bank transfer. Now, open the Revolut app and look for the Transfers section, usually near the bottom of your home screen. Tap on it. Next, you'll see a New or Send button. Tap that and then choose International Transfer. You'll then be prompted to select the country you want to send money to. Revolut supports transfers to over 100 countries and in multiple currencies. Once you've selected the country, you enter the amount you want to send. Crucially, this is where Revolut shows you the real-time exchange rate and any potential transfer fee before you commit. No hidden surprises. After confirming the amount, you'll need to add your recipient. If they're a Revolut user, it's instant and free. Just select them from your contacts. If they're using a traditional bank, you'll need to enter their bank details, such as their full name, their bank's BIC or SWIFT code, and their account number or IBAN. The app will guide you on what's needed for that specific country. Once you've added the details, give the transfer a quick review. Double-check the recipient's information, the final amount, the exchange rate, and the estimated arrival time. Transfers to banks can often be much faster than traditional methods, sometimes arriving in seconds, or maybe a few days, depending on the country. Happy with everything? Tap Send, and you're done. You'll get a confirmation in the app, and you can even track the status of your transfer right from your phone. That's it, fast, transparent, and hassle-free international money transfer, powered by Revolut. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.